Hello guys, welcome to my channel Decode. In this part, we want to talking about another solution in architectures, craft, for example, and sketching. I say always this matter that the sketching very vital, important, and essential in architectures. Students in all of condition, all of situation, you should be practice in this craft. I know that every people need to and different craft, different skill for onboarding this in their business, in their, for example, academic condition and everything. Sometimes you should be think about this matter that practice and how do you implementation and what is your in your mind on a paper. For example, how do you want to collaboration to another person, for example, stakeholder and owner, builder, and just you need to tools that is tools as sketching, a freehand design. So without any waste time, move forward to sketch, and I will show you and how do you improve yourself in this part. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I show you that and every people should be and spend time in this practice, in this freehand design, because determine yourself with another, distinguish yourself with another person with this craft, with this skill. Thank you very much. If you like this video, and subscribe our channel. Thanks.